don't sound like that. I don't sound like that.
Abuela says it's time.
Okay, vamos, vamos. I'm done.
My favorite cousin, so I feel like I can talk to you about anything. Yeah, well, you can talk to me about anything, like the problem with the magic last night that no one seemed to worry about, but maybe you heard about, that maybe I should know about.
Stop pretending you're Dolores so you can have seconds.
Worth a shot.
Ah!